Hello, my name is Jeff Stemke, creator of Visual KnowHow. Visual KnowHow is a supercharged and modernized SharePoint team collaboration site. I developed this app from work I did as Chevron's knowledge strategist. With tools like this, we were able to document millions in cost savings. The most common complaint of users of today's content management tools like SharePoint is, I can't find anything. Well, Visual KnowHow finds the information you need or people who can help you in just one click. Let me show you how. Our signature feature is the clickable knowledge map. That's what you're seeing on the screen right now. The objects on the map represent the site's metadata organized on a single page into a concept map, which is the way the expert thinks about the domain. Since you can see all the metadata at once, you eliminate the frustrating struggle of digging through nested folders or views. The knowledge map is a simple graphic file which can be created with tools like Visio or PowerPoint. I created this map after interviewing an engineer about the process he manages. You probably already have many existing process diagrams like this that would work nicely. Let's look at a typical situation. Imagine you are a young engineer trying to diagnose a plant problem, that there's too much liquid in the product and you may have to reprocess it at significant cost. Conventional thinking might be, well, what list, view, or library subfolder should I look in? What should I search for? Is too much liquid a reasonable search query? Here's how Visual KnowHow helps you end this dilemma. We take a look at the keywords, the metadata on the map, and see if we can find a source for a solution. Product distribution seems like a good general term for what we're dealing with. Let's see what influences that. Looking through the arrows, catalyst affects products, reactor creates products. So you can see different areas we might look at. If we swing out here, product separation process, this sounds pretty relevant. Let me click that. So on one page we get everything in the site that's been tagged by separation. You can see that it includes all the different lists and libraries at one time, document libraries, lessons learned, questions and answers. So everything gets returned in one click. You notice there's also members, there's people returned on the list. So if you can't find an answer already posted, you can have a couple of people, in this case, you can contact for quick help. Let's take a look at some of the items. Too much liquid in the saturated gas stream. That sounds like exactly what our problem is. So you can see a person had the problem before who documented it with what the solution was that they found. They actually documented business value from being able to solve the problem quickly. So we see cost savings and time savings. And we notice there's 3 responses. So in this question, you can see several other engineers provided their ideas for how the problem could be solved. And you can see the documents themselves, the various answers contain rich text fields. Let's take a look at the form itself. Let me edit this. So it's very compact. It's not a SharePoint form. It's a very customizable. You can see the columns for getting data in about the problem initially, where you capture the solution, closing the loop as we like to call it. Adding metadata is something that people really don't like to do. But it's critical in this case because it's the metadata that attaches it to the map. So we've made that as simple as possible. The metadata is done using cascading drop-down menus. So we can pick a particular topic, a main topic on the map, and find only relevant subtopics to choose from. We also have all the lists here where you could pick a few other keywords that might be relevant for what you're trying to do. So let's cancel out of this. So this is just perfect, what we're looking for. We found the information we wanted in just one click. You also notice that we were capturing business value. I'll quickly show you the way we do this in real time. We've got metrics pages that show a variety of different types of metrics. Here's one that goes by the main categories of the process. So click that. We can see so far we've documented about $500,000 in value, close to 400 hours worth of time. We can drill in to see specifics about the information that led to the cost savings. We can see individuals who are responsible for that, which, by the way, is a very important thing when you're trying to reinforce behaviors of people to encourage them to share. So the concept map, the knowledge map, is really almost like having an expert coach you to find a solution. It helps the young engineer understand how the different pieces fit together and can greatly accelerate her time to competency. We've looked at a couple of features today, the one-click find of information and the way we document business value. There are many other unique features here as well. Please contact me for more information about these features, or perhaps to schedule a demo for your organization. Thank you very much.